Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get coal faster using the smithing dog method in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this smithing dog by crafting. Before I show you this smithing dog method, I'm going to show you how you can get the dog. You can get the smithing dog by crafting in here. You can go to the craft paths menu, click on select recipe, and here you can craft the smithing dog. You will need dog from the common egg and rare coal, 2 rare coals, and also 3 million shekels. And you will need 20 minutes to craft the smithing dog. And finally, I can get this dog and I'm going to place it on my garden. Okay, and this dog has coal ability, guys, because it can dig up coals every 4 minutes. Okay, as you can see, almost 5 minutes actually. Every 4 minutes, 5 minutes, it has 10% chance to dig up coal. So you can farm coal faster using the smithing dog. Make sure that you have the items to craft this dog on the crafting menu right here. And okay guys, that's all about the smithing dog and grow garden game of Roblox new smithing update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.